Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Photoshop layered titles into Premiere Pro timelines step by step clearly. Open Premiere Pro and create a new project or open an existing one. Import your Photoshop layered title file into your Premiere Pro project. Begin by navigating to the project panel. Locate your imported Photoshop file. Drag and drop the Photoshop file into your timeline. A dialog box will appear. Select Merge All Layers if you want a single layer. Select individual layers to maintain editability. Click OK to proceed. Now, the Photoshop layers will appear in your timeline. You can expand the layer to view all the individual components. To modify a specific title layer, double-click on it. This will open the layer in the Essential Graphics panel. Here, you can adjust text properties, size, and positioning. Use the transform controls to reposition your title as needed. If you want to animate your title, use keyframes in the Effect Controls panel. Select the title layer and navigate to the Effect Controls panel. Click the stopwatch icon next to the property you want to animate. This will set your starting keyframe. Move the playhead to a different point in the timeline. Adjust the property for your desired animation. A new keyframe will automatically be created. Continue this process to add additional animations. To enhance your title, consider adding effects from the Effects panel. Simply drag any effect onto your title layer. You can further customize these effects in the Effect Controls panel. After finalizing the look of your title, review your sequence. Make any necessary adjustments to timing or positioning. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.